Starboy aesthetic. A modern, edgy, and fashion-forward look inspired by The Weeknd's hit music video. Stay tuned as we break down the essentials of this killer style. Before we dive in, hit subscribe for the latest style tips and updates. Let's get started. Colors. The Starboy aesthetic is all about bold, striking colors, primarily black and red, with subtle, muted accents to enhance that mysterious vibe. Think dark, moody, and undeniably powerful. Texture. This look embraces heavy leather textures for the outer layer. Picture thick leather jackets and textured coats adding depth and luxury to your outfit, paired with classic, comfortable cotton or flannel pieces underneath. Clothing. The core pieces should be black, dark blue, or maroon. Think a sleek leather jacket, a cool varsity jacket, or a stylish long coat. These staples nail the Starboy vibe. Pair them with black or dark blue denim, and if styled right, even gray cargo pants can complete the look perfectly. Footwear. Shoes should always be black, but you have options. For a casual look, go with black sneakers. For something edgier, opt for black boots. To elevate your style, choose sneakers or boots with silver accents or futuristic designs to really stand out. Accessories. Add some flair with silver jewelry, necklaces, bracelets, rings, or ear studs. These pieces inject a touch of sophistication and edge into your look, showcasing your effortless style and attention to detail. Glasses. Complete your look with the perfect pair of glasses. Opt for urban cyberpunk styles, wayfarers, club frames, or even round frames in black or silver. Ensure they complement your face shape. These glasses add a futuristic, stylish touch and a hint of mystery, enhancing that dark, edgy appeal. Hairstyle. Choose a hairstyle that complements your face shape to enhance your overall look. A tapered fade is a safe bet, but a classic pomade style or angular fringe works well too. Check out my video on top hairstyles for this year for more ideas. Just remember, a modern classic hairstyle will perfectly match the Starboy aesthetic. Perfume. Choose a fragrance that complements the vibe. Opt for scents that are woody, spicy, gourmand, or sensual. These winter-friendly perfumes will enhance your look and leave a lasting impression with a scent as bold as your style. Here's a pro tip to take your look to the next level. That is red accents. Use red as a complementary accent to make your outfit pop. Consider red phone cases, watches, or even a red vehicle. While not essential, these touches of red elevate your look and perfectly capture the Starboy theme. And that's your ultimate guide to the Starboy aesthetic. Remember, confidence is key. Own your look and let every detail shine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment with any style topics you'd like covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more style tips. Until next time, stay stylish.